All right, this is the last thing we need to do in order to make sure our funnel is good to go. So one of the cool things that ClickFunnels has built in, it has this launch checklist. Okay, and this will make sure that you have all these are green, right? This will make sure that all of these are are set up correctly. So that that makes you so that shows you that, hey, ClickFunnels thinks it's set up correctly, but we want to make sure we look through it ourselves. So the first thing we want to go through is we want to go and we want to copy this link. So we're going to copy that and we're going to paste it. So we're looking here, it all shows up. Now you want to make sure that you have links to your privacy policy, terms and conditions, and disclaimer. That's something that's commonly missed. And you can actually generate those you can just create other ClickFunnels pages for those. You can go to like freeprivacypolicy.com or like free privacy policy. And like you can use this free privacy policy generator. Now, these are legal pages, so you could consult a lawyer. I'm not offering you legal advice, but that's one way you can do that to get these templates. So I'll let you look into that, figure that out, but make sure you have those. So you want to check and make sure you have these things. Okay. Next thing you want to make sure is that the spelling's right. You want to make sure that looks good. You want to make sure that this pops up. Okay. So that your pop-up works, and it does. Make sure it looks good. Like if you like the way it looks, that's great. So that looks good. One more thing that a lot of people miss is this, what we call a favicon, and that's that thing right there. See how that one has that Namecheap? This is Namecheap. See how it's different? And you have the ClickFunnels favicon. So we can change that. Let me show you how, because that's commonly missed. The way I do it is I do it like this, right? You have to have actually the favicon, and it works best if they're icons, right? If you don't have one of those, again, you can upgrade to the more advanced training where I show you how to create those, and we help you build all that out so you can get everything. So what I like to do is I like to just say, I'm gonna clone this, right? And then, you know what, actually, let me see if this works. So really what I do is I go and find an image. So I go find the image that I want. Right, so say I wanted, like, let me just show you. Actually, I'll do it the right way for you. So here's what you want to do. We're gonna put the image. We're gonna go and we're gonna let's just select this one, right? I'm obviously not gonna use Instagram's little icon, but it's just an example. So it's whatever icon you have. You just select whatever image you have. So you have to upload that to ClickFunnels, and then what you're gonna do is just copy this. See how it says image? It has a URL here. We're just gonna copy that. Right, so just select it, Control C or Command C to copy it, and just don't forget you can just delete that. Since we didn't really make changes here, I'm just gonna exit. I'm gonna say leave because we didn't really make any changes. So now you have that copied. You're just gonna go over to settings, and in the settings, you're gonna do favicon URL right here. Control V, paste it, and there's that link. And we're gonna hit save and update settings. Okay, now let's see what we can do. So let's copy this. It might take a little bit to load, but we're going to copy that link again, and we're going to paste it there. And see how it's, so it didn't take that one. So maybe it's loading, or maybe we need to get a new image. Sometimes it will say you need new images. Okay, so let's try again. Okay, so that image didn't work. So that's just a little test you can do really quickly. So let's go and change that. And while we're here, so that's how you would do your favicon. So I mean, I just want to show you that it works, just so you get that. I think maybe 5, 4, 6, 7. There we go. So I'm gonna use this one as a favicon, right? This is like a custom-made logo. Connor, my brother, makes these things really well. I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to delete this. Okay, deleted. I'll save it. That's all right. So we're going to go to then settings, favicon URL. Paste that there. Okay, let's hope this one works. Sometimes it can take a bit to load. All right, so there we go. See how it's that one versus these ones. All right, I'm gonna refresh that one. See, boom, looks good, right? So now it doesn't look like ClickFunnels at all. So it fits with your brand. Okay, that's a common thing that people miss, and you can polish off your funnel by adding that there. And you'll notice one more thing. It says product launch funnel. All right. Well, that's not an issue. That's not what we want our funnel to be called. So what we want to call it is something different. So what you're going to do, same thing, is you're going to go to edit page, and you're going to go up here to settings, and you want to go to SEO metadata. For this, see how it says product launch? So we're just going to say, free ebook download. Right? You can call it whatever you want. And then the page description, the best description is just do the headline, right? It's just like the simple, gotta move my mic, the simple morning drink that helped me beat arthritis and take back my life, right? And how you can benefit too. Name, you put your name here. Keywords, so if you want to do different keywords in here, you can just do like whatever your niche is, right? So we can do arthritis for this one. You can do marketing. You can say whatever you want, right? You just type in your keywords and put a comma there. So that's if people search on Google, they can find it. Then you want to make sure you put a social image. This is what image shows up when people share it. So what I'll do is I'll just put a picture of this book. That's where the image comes in. Boom. All right, and just hit save. So now, to show you that this works, I'm gonna go over to my Facebook. So you can go to your Facebook, and it might take a bit to load, but we're just gonna go here. I'm gonna paste this link, Control V, and see if it loads. Sometimes it will. Sometimes it'll do a preview. Sometimes it won't. There we go. Let's see what preview. So see how it says fetching preview. So right now, it says free ebook download, the simple morning drink that helped me beat arthritis and take back my life, and how you can benefit too. Okay, the image just hasn't loaded yet. Sometimes it takes a bit for Facebook to register that, but that's what it'll look like when you share it. So now it's not saying ClickFunnels or not saying someone else's name or anything like that. So that's something important to check. So you can do that for this page. We'll just save that. And the next thing that you might want to do is, you notice has that little badge there, the ClickFunnels. This is actually an affiliate badge, so if someone clicks on this, it actually will take them to ClickFunnels, right? So it took me and logged me in, but if they don't have it, it'll actually give you credit for sending them, so you can actually get paid if someone else signs up for ClickFunnels. So it's not necessarily a bad idea to leave that there. But if you want to take it down, I'm going to show you how to do it on the thank you page. The process is the same, but there's one thing that on the thank you page I need to show you. So we're going to save that. This page is pretty much good to go, save for adding your links to your privacy policy and terms and conditions. You just do that here, and you would just highlight it and click hyperlink and then paste the link in here, right? Really simple. I'm sure you can figure that one out. So let's see, we're going to exit, leave because I saved. We're going to go to the thank you page because this is actually important. But remember, this works for both of them. So we want to go to our SEO metadata, and you can fix your SEO metadata. I don't need to show you how to do that here because I showed it on the other one. But you want to go actually to general, and you want to, so what this does is this says your affiliate badge and search engines. And it's the same thing as the other one, but you want to turn off search engines for the thank you page. You want to keep it on for your first page, but hide it for the thank you page, because you don't want people just being able to Google this and get your ebook or lead magnet without opting in. So you're just going to hide that, and we can hit save. Okay, that's all you do, and you can do that on the first page if you want, and that's how you would remove the affiliate badge as well. So let's just make sure this all works. So I'm going to save this funnel. And we're going to go here. This is the link, so I'm just going to refresh this, so I don't need to copy it. It says free ebook download. Click here for instant access. All right, my name, my email. So it'll auto-populate this if it already knows you. It's like, yes, give me the free ebook. And, remember one last thing. Make sure your integrations are set up, right? Make sure that has a green check mark. So we're gonna go here, okay, and name email. So you're gonna want to test this yourself. So yes, give me the free ebook. Boom. All right. Thanks. Check your email. So book there. Click here to download now. So we just want to check if I can download it now, and I can. There it is. Boom. So someone now has your free checklist. Now, the other thing you want to check is, now let's check what happens if we share this. So if I click share, Facebook pulls up this thing, and boom, that's what we put for our picture, so we put for our description, and then I can just do all that kind of stuff. Like I can write about it and post it to Facebook really quickly. Pretty straightforward. At this point in time, your funnel is built, right? You've now created an official funnel that gives away your free lead magnet and allows you to start monetizing your personal brand. So at this point in time, you're good. You can start you can start promoting this to people. All right, you could go post it on Facebook, you can put it on your LinkedIn profile, you can put it wherever you want. And this is a really good way to start building your list. The next two modules are kind of bonus ones, and I'm going to show you how you can set up a real quick traffic campaign to run it for this. And then I'm going to show you how you can follow up via email, or I'm going to show you a type of email you can write. So those are the next two sections, and when you've done that, that's everything that you need in order to get started on this and start selling and promoting your products. So hopefully this has been helpful. Stay tuned for the next two sections or the next two trainings in order to get the final pieces of running traffic and then sending out the follow-up emails. Okay, and again, as always, if you have any questions, go to the group, or if you want more advanced training and help, you can always upgrade or ask me about the more advanced programs that I do. So that's it, and you should be good to go. I'm excited to see what kind of things you guys what you produce.